unqualified, disqualified. In this lesson, I will go through the difference between these two words. Unqualified. Notice that the word unqualified begins with the prefix un, which means not. Therefore, if the adjective qualified means to have the correct skills and knowledge for a job, then unqualified means to not have the correct skills or knowledge for a job. For example, the employer will not offer an interview to unqualified candidates. Another example is someone is applying for a teaching job, but they don't have a degree or the correct qualifications, then we can say that she is unqualified for the job, or he is unqualified for the job. Disqualified. Notice that the word disqualified begins with the prefix dis, which means not. Therefore, if the verb qualify means to allow someone to do something, then the word disqualified means to not allow someone to do something. The reason for this is usually an offense. For example, if a football player is disqualified, then he did something which was wrong, and this resulted in his disqualification. For example, the footballer was disqualified. Another example is if someone drives dangerously fast, then they can be disqualified from driving. For example, she was disqualified from driving.